Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 70-inch TVs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. At rank 5, we have the LG UQ7590 86-inch class UHD Smart TV, a model that combines AI-powered technology with a massive screen size that's perfect for family rooms or home theaters. The standout feature here is the Alpha 7 Gen 5 AI processor 4K, which adapts picture and sound quality for an incredibly lifelike viewing experience. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, this TV excels at handling fast-moving visuals, making it ideal for sports fans and gamers alike. It also comes with built-in access to popular streaming apps and over 300 free LG channels for endless entertainment options. In terms of design, the LG UQ7590 sports a clean, minimalist look in a sleek gray finish, but its weight, over 100 pounds, means you'll need a sturdy wall mount or stand. The user experience is enhanced by customizable accounts and LG's Game Optimizer, which allows gamers to tweak their settings in one convenient menu. However, it's worth noting that this model only includes a standard remote, not LG's more advanced Magic Remote, which may disappoint some users. Overall, the LG UQ7590 is a solid option for users who prioritize size and refresh rate over cutting-edge features. It's perfect for large spaces, but may not be as versatile or future-proof as some of the newer models on this list. Pros include excellent motion handling and extensive streaming options, while cons are its heavy build and lack of premium accessories. Coming in at number 4 is the Samsung 70-inch class Crystal UHD DU7200 series, a TV that balances performance and design. Featuring pure color technology, this model delivers a wide spectrum of vibrant colors for a true-to-life picture, whether you're watching movies or sports. The 4K upscaling and motion accelerator features ensure smooth visuals with minimal lag, making it a great choice for fast-paced action scenes or gaming. Additionally, the slim-fit wall mount allows for an ultra-sleek installation, blending effortlessly into any modern interior. The DU7200 series is well-built with a high image contrast ratio that enhances brightness and clarity. Its object tracking sound light system creates a virtual surround sound experience that follows the action on screen, immersing you in your favorite content. However, this model doesn't come with some of Samsung's more advanced features, such as dynamic crystal color or AI-enhanced processors, which are available in higher-tier options. Overall, the Samsung DU7200 series is a dependable choice for those seeking a balance of affordability and aesthetic appeal. It's perfect for users who want a TV that looks great in their space without sacrificing performance. Pros include its slim design and vibrant picture quality, while cons are the absence of advanced AI processing and a slightly lower refresh rate compared to premium models. At number 3, we have the Samsung Q60D Series QLED TV, which steps up the game with quantum dot technology and quantum HDR for breathtaking visuals. With 100% color volume, this TV delivers over 1 billion shades that remain vivid even in bright settings. It also features dual LED backlight technology for optimized color and contrast for every scene. The Q60D's motion accelerator ensures smooth transitions, making it perfect for watching action-packed content. Design-wise, the Q60D is sleek and modern, complemented by Samsung's slim-fit wall mount for a flush installation. Its quantum processor light uses AI technology to upscale content to 4K resolution, ensuring even older videos look sharp and detailed. The object tracking sound light provides immersive audio that follows on-screen motion, adding depth to your viewing experience. However, its lack of Dolby Atmos support and a standard 60 Hz refresh rate may disappoint users looking for top-tier sound and ultra-smooth motion. The Samsung Q60D is a fantastic option for those who want a high-performance QLED TV without breaking the bank. Pros include vibrant color reproduction and a sleek design, while cons are limited to its lack of Dolby Atmos and premium refresh rates found in higher-end models. At number 2, we have the Sony 65-inch Bravia 7 Mini LED QLED TV, a powerhouse packed with features for gamers and cinephiles alike. Exclusive PlayStation 5 optimizations like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode make this TV a dream for gaming enthusiasts. Dolby Vision HDR and IMAX Enhanced support deliver a cinematic experience with stunning visuals and immersive audio. The XR processor further enhances color, contrast, and clarity, ensuring every scene looks its best. This model boasts a premium design with mini LED technology for remarkable brightness and contrast. The acoustic multi-audio system adds realism to your audio experience, while the Google TV interface makes navigation seamless with access to a wide array of streaming apps. However, its higher price point and slightly smaller screen size compared to others on this list might be a drawback for some users. The Sony Bravia 7 is perfect for gamers and movie buffs who want cutting-edge technology and a premium viewing experience. Pros include outstanding gaming features and advanced processing, while cons are its hefty price and 65-inch size, which may not be ideal for larger spaces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung DU8000 series, a 65-inch TV that strikes the perfect balance among design, performance, and features. With dynamic crystal color technology, this TV produces over 1 billion shades for unmatched visual detail. The HDR capabilities and crystal processor 4K ensure every frame is vibrant and sharply defined. Its motion accelerator minimizes blur in fast-paced scenes, while the gaming hub lets you stream games directly, no console required. Design is where the DU8000 truly shines. Its air-slim profile blends seamlessly into any space, creating a clutter-free, minimalist aesthetic. With Alexa built-in, voice control is quick and intuitive, while Samsung Tizen OS simplifies access to apps and streaming platforms. However, its 60 Hz refresh rate may not satisfy users who prioritize ultra-smooth motion for gaming or sports. The Samsung DU8000 series is the ultimate all-rounder, catering to gamers, streamers, and everyday users alike. Pros include its stunning color reproduction, sleek design, and gaming hub, while cons are limited to its refresh rate. If you want a TV that excels in versatility without compromising on style, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.